Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unspoken Crime Murders, and the title of the video is Nurse Arrested After Crashing into 3 Cars While Huffing. Let's get into it.
911, what is your emergency?
Hey, we are at Bella Capelli Salon, and a car just came into our parking lot and hit 2 cars.
Stop now! HCR!
Okay,
it looks like he's attempting to leave right now. No,
wait,
nobody's
he's trying
leaving.
to leave?
It looks like he's leaving the scene. Yes, right now he's in a silver car.
Multiple 911 callers reported a reckless driver huffing nitrous oxide after crashing into several parked cars before fleeing the scene.
Just called in about a crash in front of Bella Capelli.
Yes.
The person backed up.
Are you following him or no?
No, he took off as fast as he could.
6846. And you're screwed, buddy.
He just hit our
Who's
cars.
dumping the beer over there?
Oh my God.
Is this the main damaged car, or is it the only?
That one. He hit that one first.
Oh, I see. So he was in this spot?
Yeah.
No, he came across. He came from the street. Like you could see the
Holy
tire
shit.
tracks.
Yeah.
Yeah. And he's smoking something.
Okay.
He left us by the sign over here. What is it? Nitrous?
Okay.
Nitrous oxide.
We'll show you where that is.
Okay.
There.
Yep.
Yeah.
Are any of you guys the owners of these cars? Do we know where the owners are? 760 those other units responding. Just be advised, this happened in the parking lot.
We were pulling out of here. We were pulling out, and he was coming this way, and like cut in front of us.
Okay.
Randomly, it was like a really slow. It wasn't like a J. It was like a slow drift, and then he went through these trees, and we saw him like hit all these. And then we pulled into that lot. I ran over
to see what was
if he was okay, and he got out of the car. I was like, "Hey man, are you okay?" He's like, "Yeah, I'm okay. Are you okay?" In like a weird way, and then he started dumping stuff like behind these tires.
Okay.
And he was being weird, so I just backed up a little bit. So that's all we saw.
Yeah, he got out with this stuff. He's over here.
The driver decided to dump the nitrous oxide canister along with 3 empty beer cans, but his night wasn't over yet. He soon hit a stop sign and nearly ran over a child less than a mile up the street.
He left a big container of nitrous oxide here, just FYI. So her car, the Kia, you can see the front passenger wheel is.
Yeah.
So we can't move it,
Okay.
or we'll have it towed.
Okay.
Your car, you can either wait for the tow to come and remove that car, but it like
I know, it's like kissing.
yes,
Right.
they're apart by like a millimeter. So if you pull straight forward, it's possible that you could not sustain more damage.
All right, 56 the station. Garage is open. Car's in there. Somebody's pulling in the driveway now. Looks like the family. Hi.
My daughter lives here.
Who lives here?
Who?
Yeah, could you go make sure that door doesn't close?
Her dad and his girlfriend.
Okay. Well, he was huffing something and crashed his car into a bunch of different cars, and it's in there currently
Jared,
with all flat
is
tires.
he okay?
I don't know. Okay. We just got here.
Okay.
Could you just back onto the street for me, please?
Yes.
Thanks, and we'll figure it out. What's his name?
Jared.
Does he live here with a girlfriend, you said?
Sorry?
Does he live here with his girlfriend?
Yes. This is full too. There's a lot of shit in there still. I'm not taking these, I'm leaving those.
All right, the female who pulled up in the driveway is his ex-wife with his young daughter. She says,
You know what's crazy? The whole huffing thing, the first time I encountered that, like I've never done it, but I've seen it, is when I was in Vietnam, actually. Like, you know, like these types of things are very popular. Like I know they're popular here in the States as well, but the first time I encountered it was in Vietnam, and they have those like canisters. You could buy them in like vape shops and stuff like that. And then you'll be in the club, right? And you'll see people either with the canisters, or there's another thing that, or it could be the same thing, but it's these balloons. People blow up these balloons, and they're suck whatever is in the balloon, they're huffing it, and like they start tripping out, like really, like it's crazy. It's crazy. These different gases and stuff like that. I think the thing with the balloons is like people, if you do it a lot, it's because like you're actually breathing in like your carbon monoxide or whatever, like something like that, and it makes you like lightheaded. I don't know. That is not in my lane. Okay, I have me a drink, but that's about it. Like I'm not in the smoking. I don't smoke weed. I'm not you know what I'm saying, doing that snow, you know what I mean? You know, motherfucker be hitting that needle, finked out, hitting that needle. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of crazy stuff. Now they got the balloons, you know, they got the different gas, the canisters. I mean, it's crazy. Even the stuff, I forget what they do, but it's like, it's the cans with like the, whipping cream and stuff like that. Like, but like, it's wild out here. I'm not gonna lie. People is doing anything to get a fix. Okay, yeah, it's not like how it used to be, man. Where you know you might have your, you know, you got your little crackheads. You know what I'm saying, and you know you got your party animals that's doing the coke. You know what I mean, and you know you got your drinkers. You know what I'm saying, and you know even your little pill poppers. You know now motherfuckers. They got balloons, all types of gases and stuff that they try to like. It's wild. It's wild. It's wild. It's wild. These kids is, and typically I see it with the younger crowd. You know, once I seen it in Vietnam, then I started to like look for it, like as far as like looking out for it, like seeing what crowds is doing. And I've always noticed it in the younger crowd. So I'm curious to see how old this guy is and stuff like that. I mean, beautiful house, so I'm very surprised, you know, but it is I hear it's an expensive habit or whatever, like if you keep doing it, you know what I mean. But anyway, let's see what's going on here.
He currently lives here with a girlfriend. Vehicles in the garage, unoccupied. He's coming out of the door right now. Police department,
Come on up.
can you send your dad out, please? Wait. Real quick, turn around. Turn around. Face away from me.
We don't know what happened. He
We
took us
do.
home and we were...
We know what happened.
I passed out.
He was huffing shit, according to the witnesses there. That's what happened. And fucking crashed his car up.
I did not.
You didn't?
No.
What happened to your car?
No, that part happened.
I passed out behind the wheel.
Stop now! HCR 6846. Hey, you're screwed, buddy.
He just hit
His
our
girlfriend
car.
about to defend his actions.
Oh my God, he was drunk. Oh my.
We don't know what happened.
Well, we do because witnesses saw it.
Well,
Stay right here.
I'm an attorney. That's not always...
Okay, well, as of right now, that's what we know. Okay, so this car is going back with us because it's evidence, and right now he's detained. Okay? All right, so where's the key to this car at?
It's in my pocket.
Okay. Can you open this garage for me, please?
Hold on. I don't
Ma'am?
know that you have a right to just...
It was involved in a hit-skip accident. We do.
We were just coming back.
Were you in the car too?
No.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw. I was sitting here when the guy came careening over, and I thought I saw two guys, but maybe it was just one.
Okay.
And I saw him trying to stash some green bottles and
Okay.
stuff, and that's about it.
Okay.
know,
You were in here the whole time?
Yeah.
Okay, it was involved in a hit-skip accident. We can tow it. Okay?
Okay, you can tow it.
Okay, can you pop the garage for me, please? It's evidence right now. No one's going in the car. No one's touching anything on it or in it. We are taking the car. Okay?
Look at her
I didn't do
defending
anything.
this.
Stay here with her.
Get the hell out of
Don't
here.
touch the car, and don't touch anything in it, okay? Hey.
Get over here when we investigate. Come over here.
Stay away or you're going to get obstructed and you're going to get arrested, okay? Relax.
Stay over here with me.
You understand your rights?
Yes.
Witnesses saw you huffing shit.
I wasn't huffing anything.
That's what they saw.
What?
I'm just telling you what they saw. So how come you'd leave the scene of an accident and hide in your garage?
I passed out behind the wheel. I woke up and I didn't know what was. This happened to me the other day here.
See how that's like an unbelievable story to me?
She must be a public defender. Don't touch the vehicle is involved in a crime.
So run me through your medical history. So run me through what happened over here. Okay, so why would you limp your car with all these tires blown out home into your garage and close the garage?
I don't know. I was confused as hell.
Why would people down there say that you were inhaling stuff, and why would they find inhalants down there?
I have no idea.
Yeah, me neither. It's a weird one.
Right in there.
Well, if you said you came to on the road after you collided with something, why would you drive home? You remember being on the road after a collision, right? Why wouldn't you just stop? Why did you drive all the way to your house and close it in the garage?
I barely even remember what happened until I got in the house and found her.
Well, we'll sort it out.
Car is reported leaving the scene of an accident.
But I mean, what happened at the accident? Do we know that? Like, there's one.
Oh no, the other car got front end damage.
Oh, front end damage.
Yeah,
But how?
disabled.
But that's the part I like. I like. How is the back?
You weren't
like
there.
that?
Shut
If
the
I
heck up,
assumed
man.
you did it with the front, or
I have no clue. I pulled out in front of somebody and they hit the back end of it. I don't know. I wasn't there to talk to him. This fled the scene of the accident, so.
After crashing into multiple vehicles, discarding empty beer cans, and nearly striking a child, Jared Estep was arrested and charged with OVI, failure to control, and hit skip. His reckless actions could have ended far worse for him and for everyone on that street.
Man, she must be a public defender, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. The way she talking. I get it. You supposed to defend people till your wheels fall off. But listen, this guy could have hurt a lot of people, man. Fiend out. That huffing stuff, man. Oof. Whatever. Ruin his record. Get him down to the county. Get him together so he don't hurt nobody else. Anyway, I think these cops did a great job. I think they did a great job, man. Yeah, so I'm giving them 4 out of 5, man. 4 out of 5 from me. And yeah, let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did. This is a good video, man. Unspoken Crime Murder. I haven't watched a video in a little minute, actually. And like I like the little edit where like it said the arrest, right? And then it switched over. That shit was fire. I ain't gonna lie. They stepping they shit up, boy. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.